Hi guys, welcome to my channel TechWide, and in this video I will let you know how you can install dual WhatsApp or Messenger in your Samsung flagship phones. So right now, as I have Samsung S10 5G, so even though this method is very simple, it is working on all flagship phones of Samsung. So what you have to do, like if you want to install dual WhatsApp or dual Messenger in your phone, so no need to install third party applications which allow you to install dual WhatsApp or dual Messenger or dual version of application. So this is the simplest way without installing any other application. So the first thing which you need to do is you just need to go into the setting. As you can see, this is the setting section. I would go into the setting, and then I need to search in the search bar advanced features. So I would click on advanced features. So when I will go into the advanced features, so I need to go down, and then you can see there would be option which is called dual messenger. You can see this is on the third number from the bottom. So I just need to click on dual messenger. So here are the applications which this phone is allows you to install dual version or dual application. Right now, as I am using two WhatsApp, so this WhatsApp is already on. So right now, as you can see, I am using two WhatsApp, one WhatsApp in the second row, and this is the second WhatsApp. So in this way you can install all other applications like Facebook, Skype, KakaoTalk, Messenger, all Messenger applications, whatever the application you are using. So you can install dual Messenger as well. So suppose you want to install KakaoTalk, you just need to click on it, and it will ask you, okay, you want to install, then click install. It will automatically install this application, and then you can install, you can use two messengers of any messenger like Facebook, WhatsApp, or whatever. So in this way you can install to WhatsApp, to Facebook, or any messenger. So I hope guys this video would be helpful for you, and if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and if you did not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe. Yes, and thank you for watching.